Hindi po eh. Tinanong ko po siya, wala din daw po siyang maalala na Amber. Deal Amber. Hindi eh. Hindi naman Deal Amber si Amber. I'm getting a overdrive. Stoner? Why Stoner? I don't get it. Stoner? Why would I name him? Why would I name her Stoner? Grainbow. Grainbow.
Oo nga, green tsaka rainbow.
Grainbow. Kasi may gray, may green, tsaka rainbow. Gray, green, and rainbow. Grainbow. That's actually... That's a nice name. Grainbow. 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 Okay, I'm gonna name her Grainbow. Your Fugler name is Stoner because you can see its eyes? What? I don't get it.
Kasi nakalabas yung mata yata.
Don't get it. Why Stoner? Because you can see its... Oh! Oh my gosh. Deal Amber Iloxoloma. Mama. Mama. Deal Amber Iloxo.
Siguro niya alam.
We don't... Hindi po namin talaga alam
Baka sa
Regiltang
mukha.
Bilyones. Ha?
Baka sa mukha, hindi ko alam kung ano. Ang alam,
A stoner because you can see its eyes? Like Medusa? Who, when you look in her eyes, you turn to stone? Is that what you mean? Because if not, then I'm not sure what you mean. Getting overdrive. Wait lang, guys. Let me be right back. Hello, wala talaga. Where is it? Where is it? Baka talaga nasa ilalim ng pom. He looks stoned. I don't get it. He left out. Because I literally don't get it. Mami, angat mo nga po ito sa buhay. Hello, wala yung iPad ko. Mas nawala. Oh, wait. Wait a second. Wait a second. Sa kama yan, sa ilalim ng pretty sure. Kasi dito ko lang nilagay. Tapos, saan ako nilagay? Mamaya na, lapit ko.
yung mga pag-lord.
iPad.
iPad din dyan, natabunan ng ano.
Damit? Are you sure? Saan si Ate Maria? Pwede ba siya kumanta? Hinahanap ka na, ma.
Makantay mo firework. Baby, you're a fire.
You are, come on, let your colors burn. Make them go, oh, oh, oh. You are, come on, let your colors burn. Make them go. Burst pala, no burn. Come on, let your colors burst. Make them go, oh, oh, oh. Thank you, Ludovic Jean Christophe, for attention. Thank you. Hello, Jason Pedro. Make 'em go, Shoutout po kay RC Calderon Alaba from Bohol. Bird. Wait guys, BRB. BRB. I can go. Sky. Yeah. Yes, I do go to school, guys. I'm homeschooled. I can go.
Ay, ikaw.
Wait a second, guys. I wanna see what I look like with bangs. Oh, what is that? No flash. I look so bad with flash. Okay, guys. So this is the photo. I'm gonna ask AI to give me bangs. Naimbag nga rabi ikinyam randi bankod. Okay, so I'm gonna ask AI to generate me with bangs. Oh, wait. Bro. Sorry guys, just a minor malfunction. Oh my gosh. Rainbow, yeah, it's creative. Because there's green, gray, and rainbow. And my Fugler, it has a gray mouth and green skin on the other side. And there's rainbow on the other side. So, it's really creative. Aki. Come on, let your colors burst. Make them go, Come on, let your go. Thank you, sir, for Simbuwala for the 150 stars. Thank you. Thank you. Shoutout po kay Jade Pipilio. Arya, naaalala mo ba sina Kuya Jake at Arnel? Yes po, naaalala ko po sila.
Ganda.
Guys, this is what I look like with bangs. Ayoko, hindi ko gusto.
Dapat ipakita mo nga sa live.
Guys, this is what I look like with bangs.
Ganda, mukha kang Korean.
I don't like it.
Ganda.
I don't like it.
Korean.
How about... I can't believe that's what I look like with bangs.
Save mo yun, play. Ipopost.
Try mo.
Bakit?
Try mo, Bong.
Ay, papansin. Ikaw. Okay.
Mas maganda mo kapag curtain bangs.
Tingin. Save mo parehas yan.
Guys, this is what I look like with curtain bangs. Wait, how about...
Bong.
Blonde hair.
No.
Try mo lang.
Try mo, blonde. Si ate mo pa pansin. Nagla-live si ate.
Hindi po bagay pag may bangs. ako din. Sa tingin ko din, hindi din bagay kapag may bangs. Ano to?
Tingin.
Japanese... Japanese side bangs.
Ang ganda.
Japanese...
Bagay sa'yo.
Japanese side bangs. Mukhang ano...
Blonde hair nga ba tingin? Kung ano itsura.
Alam ko na magiging itsura niya na.
Picture. Come on, let your colors burst, make them go ah ah ah. And I can be needy, where to the needy, and I can be needy. Fringe bangs. Okay, I'll try fringe bangs.
Kaya, patingin mo na yung blonde hair.
Try other hairstyles. Okay, wait. I'm gonna try, what do you call this? Blonde hair muna. Look.
Ba't gusto mo dito? Akyat ka dito? Aki, akyat ka dito. Akyat. Halika, akyat ka dito. Up ka rito, dali. Akyatin kita doon.
Wait lang, kailangan ko na gumawa ng...
Dito ka, dali. Dito.
Wow, nice nose. It's beautiful. Thank you. Come and let your colors burn.
Gulo-gulo yung buhok mo niya.
Come and let your colors burst. Make them go, Hindi ko gusto yung itsura ko kung...
Pag blonde.
Wait lang. Ito po, wait lang. Eh! Ang galas!
Hala, bagay ah.
Sultang.
This is what I look like when
Karupa mo dahil
kamukha ko si Mami, guys. Kamukha ko si Mami. Come and let your
Bagay te, bagay.
go.
Pag brown.
I don't like it.
Bagay yung,
I don't like it.
bagay yung hairstyle.
No, I don't like it.